Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VYST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But yeah, after today's price movement, they're totally irrelevant. So what I'm going to do is just use them for more of the near-term annotations. There we go. And as far as resistances are concerned, nothing fancy here other than the fact that the party finally stopped during the final 30 minutes of the day, right up there at that area, which equates to 12 cents. So going into Tuesday, 12 cents will be public enemy number one. As far as levels of support are concerned, first level is what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above the 9-cent mark. Now with that being said, if the price falls below 9 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength. Now taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 9 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. So like I said, all in all, great day, great way to kick off the week. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.